Thank you, Mr. Speaker. This question is to the leader, government representative in the Senate, and it is on behalf of Senator Mobina Jaffer. As we are all aware, COVID has had an immense impact on every Canadian, as well as all people who inhabit our world. Thankfully, one system of support many of us have been able to rely upon are our spouses, partners, and family. They're experiencing similar pain and difficulties. Unfortunately, there are some Canadians who do not have access to these critical supports as they are forced to be apart from their loved ones. This is because they are waiting for our Canadian government to process their sponsorship applications so they can once again be reunited. Senator Gold, what is currently being done to recognize the needs of these Canadians and to ensure the immediate processing of their sponsorship applications?
I'm sorry, Senator Gold, but the time for question period has expired. But may I suggest that you'll respond by way of delayed answer? Thank you.